The impact of the ongoing strike by doctors and nurses has been immense. But what makes a doctor or a nurse walk away, even when faced by such pain? Without diminishing your role in this strike, does it prick your conscience sometimes when you see the suffering of some of your patients?
Very true. I really feel for my patients. But I also feel even 1 minute, my patients should equally feel for me. They should really understand that it's not for nothing. And I can tell you why. Every day, when I wake up in the morning, I rarely meet my children. If they wake up to go to school, sometimes you are in the hospital, you are completing a case you are doing in theater. When you arrive, they are in school. In the evening, when you arrive, they are already asleep. Yeah? When the patient is suffering in the hospital, they'll get anxious if you delayed even for 10 minutes.
Doctors' lamentations range from the long working hours to pay. Having trained for 14 years and earned the title senior doctor, he is unhappy about his pay. But then, doesn't every worker think he or she could do with more pay?
When all my pay is put together, it's less than, it's slightly around 150,000 at that level for all those years. After taxation, it's very disappointing. I do not want to speak. You know, sometimes Kenyans respect us so much and they think we have got money.
But seeing all the suffering of innocent patients as the strike continues, couldn't there have been a more humane way of pursuing their demands?
Every human being that I wake up every day to meet is a suffering human being. So you cannot even, ask whether I have got feelings. That is my life. My life is about feelings of another human being, how they are suffering. It will be therefore difficult to use an incident or a situation like this just because there is a strike and start abusing doctors in this country that they are inhumane. We are extremely humane. For 53 years in this country, we've been complaining about our issues. But what happens? They are easily ignored and ravished.
For Citizen Weekend, I am Anne Mawade.